Alright, so I've been doing some work on trying to mod the BIOSes, or should I say BIOS. I've got 3 different BIOSes that I've been working with. But the biggest thing is from the WS to WSB. Now, we have the level 1 and level 2 cache. Now, WSB, we have level 3 cache addition. Then we have, on WS, we have front side multiplier, maximum front side multiplier. Now, here's my thing. Why is it that they took that out when they created the WSB? And then on top of that, they also changed the capability to set, where is it, your chip voltage. Give me a moment now, remember what it said. Chip voltage, I think it had to do with limit. But they took that out. Then there was also, where was it? There was also, I need to find it. Let's see here. Okay, so memory, no. That's the, those were the same. I had found a, no, that's not it. That's CPU multiplier. Let's see if it was in these guys. Memory sizing, yes, that's what it was. Now, in the L1N64 WS, the original, there was just a single memory sizing string of code. In the WSB, there were 3, which that tells me expanded memory configurations. But the thing is, with the WSB, you actually get limited on what you can do with the memory. But with this new setup, I'm also able to run 32 gigs of RAM, each module being 8 gigs per module. So that's rather unusual. Then there was also the CPU patch, which I had went ahead and taken the CPU microcode from the again, these are all ASUS boards, the KFSN5D IST. Now, this actually has oh blast, I've already saved it into the ROM, but with this I'm actually also able to increase, I believe I had only 6 CPU parameters or CPU microcode, and I ended up with an additional 6 more. Let's see, was it 6 or was it 8? I can't remember. Hold on, let me see here. This was 2007. That should. Okay, so 2007. Yeah, 6. So I ended up with an additional 6 more lines for CPU support. Now hopefully this will give me the support that I will need for running the additional 2300 and 2400 processors. It would be absolutely great if I could run the 6-core Istanbul core processor with this system. Hey, you never know, that might put me somewhere close to i7 range. At any rate, I'm going to continue working with this and see what else I can end up with. Well, you guys have fun in your endeavors. Wish me luck on this, and I'll see you all in the next one.